Ant Academy.
Bats are mammals belonging to the order Chiroptera, which means handwing. They are the only mammals naturally capable of sustained flight. There are over 1,400 species of bats worldwide, making them a highly diverse group. Physical characteristics. Bats have wings that are actually elongated fingers covered by a thin membrane called the patagium. They have a keen sense of echolocation, allowing them to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Most bats have small eyes, but some rely more heavily on echolocation than vision. Habitat. Bats inhabit a wide range of environments, including caves, forests, urban areas, and deserts. They roost in caves, tree hollows, buildings, and other sheltered places. Diet. Many bats are insectivores, feeding on insects like moths, beetles, and mosquitoes. Some species feed on fruits, nectar, or small animals like fish or small mammals. Bats are vital for ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, and pest controllers. They help maintain healthy populations of insects, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Conservation. Many bat species are threatened by habitat loss, disease, such as white nose syndrome, and human activities. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation, disease management, and public education. Interesting facts. The smallest bat is the Kitti's hog-nosed bat, measuring about 1.1 to 1.3 inches, 29 to 33 millimeters in length. The largest bat is the giant golden-crowned flying fox, with a wingspan of up to 5.6 feet, 1.7 meters. Bats can live for over 30 years in the wild.
Ank Academy. Please subscribe, like and share.